What's going on, guys? We are now filming on the GoPro Hero 10. You guys can probably see right there. Been a while since I gave you guys some POV shots. We finally got a race set up. Been a long time coming for me and my boy Juan. He has the orange 3-valve. Yeah, guys, so he has the orange LS swapped 3-valve. So it's 5.3 swapped with the 4L60, and he's running some nitrous on it. So I think it'll be a fun race today, guys. The main priority is to have some fun, get some video for you guys, because I know y'all been wanting to see some races with the car. And you know, honestly, I have too, but we just work a lot, man. Trying to hustle. So yeah, guys, if y'all are new to the channel, this is my 4.6 liter 2-valve Mustang. It has 150 shot of nitrous. It does have some cams, full bolt-ons, and it does have PI heads on the MPI bottom end. For those of you that don't know, you know those Mustang terms. It basically just it increases compression in the car. So right now it's probably like 10 to 5. It's on regular 93 pump gas, and it rolls out good for what it is. So yeah, I think it'll be a fun race today, manual versus auto. You guys know my boys over there at Hanlon Motorsports hooked us up with this 5-speed TR3650. It has been shifting great. You know, we running the McLeod Extreme Street, clutch in it. That cop is eyeing me down. So that was a badass run right there. I missed fourth. Unfortunately, I never missed fourth. I guess because I was looking at him. We're looking locked eyes. But yeah, we're gonna run that back because that was a badass one for both of us. So looks like a 50 is a good one to do. So let's go ahead and hit the 50. going on, guys? Welcome back. We're back at the garage now, as y'all can tell, filling up the bottles, and because we use quite a bit of nitrous on those runs, safety first, just because I look like a nerd. So yeah, we're actually filming on the GoPro Hero 10. Pretty badass, because the GoPro actually has on the 9 and 10, it actually has a camera where you can see yourself now in the front, so you're not just kind of guessing. So let me know if you guys like this. But yeah, shout out my boy Juan, that 5.3. It runs pretty good, guys. On the way home, we hit a little NA to NA action, and we're like right on the door. So yeah, this car does not get out on a 30 roll. His does, you know, just part of like the gearing and stuff like that. On a 30 roll, my car is at like 5,500. So as soon as I hit it, I got to shift, and you know, that puts me at a disadvantage. But all the runs, as you guys saw, were pretty close. That little 5.3, man, it doesn't even have long tube headers. That's what the crazy part. It only has a cam. It's on E85, and man, that's it. Just an exhaust and those small little, you know, regular exhaust manifolds that come on the truck. And he's running a little 100 shot of nitrous on it, and that thing rolls out pretty good, guys. So I don't know if this is a little turning point for you guys, if y'all want to say a 5.3 swap or even a 6.0, you know, a 6.0 swap, LS swap would be good, because this car is basically, this car is max effort, you know what I mean? It has cams, it has the PI heads on the MPI bottom end, so it raises the compression. You know, this car mod for mod will beat a new edge car because it has the higher compression. It has the cams, it has long tube headers. It's not on E85, but as far as that, it's pretty maxed out, you know. And that 5.3 can make 800 horsepower. This car, we're limited to about 450, 460. So I mean, that little 5.3 doesn't even have long tube headers, you know what I mean? And you know, you have a lot of room to grow with those 5.3s in the LS world. So just goes to show, you know, the little two valve can get out of its own way if you add some little bit of boost, a little bit of nitrous, as you guys can tell. Shout out my guys at Nitrous Express. I really appreciate y'all. And if y'all want, at the end of the checkout, you guys are ordering a nitrous kit, use code 4.6chris, and you guys can save some money on y'all's order. I hope you guys like this one, and please drop a comment down below if you guys liked it. Please drop the thumbs up button, really helps out a ton. See you guys on the next one. It's your boy 4.6chris. Peace out, guys.
I am, girl, in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow it. Begging, please don't let me blow it. You can't do this, but I know that I can. Girl, in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow it. Begging, please don't let me blow it. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta